I'm basically an idiot. Bottom line is I left my GoPro in the taxi. The other challenge today is I can't check into the Airbnb. So quick update, I am doing one of my favorite things, one of my favorite types of places, and I've arrived in Padua. Getting off the train was a disaster. I'd gotten deep into editing some videos. They don't announce the stops on the train, they're just on the monitor. So I didn't know we were coming into Padua. I had stuff and run out the train because I was so deep in what I was doing. So a little stressed, got to the taxi, had a nice talk with the taxi driver. Wonderful woman, her son's going to school here, she's from here. Just typical Shannon taxiisms. My other challenge is I can't check into the Airbnb because you're supposed to register online for it 48 hours before check-in. The problem is I booked it yesterday, and I did not receive the check-in link till 9 this morning on my WhatsApp app. And because I'm an American, we don't really use WhatsApp. We use just normal text messages from Apple or whomever. So, yeah, had a nice talk with the woman. She was very, very patient and understanding. Her husband's gonna call me as soon as he can. And it looks like I just got a text message from her, so let me read that. Okay guys, I really do wish you were here. And when you see this apartment, you'll understand why. The owners are awesome. They were able to check me in a little after noon instead of at 3. I'm at the entranceway. To our right is the kitchen. I mean, God, if I had an apartment in Italy or anywhere else, this is all the kitchen I would need. Through the kitchen is bathroom, little shower stall. It'll be funny watching me get in there, but you don't get to see that. Ugly guy in the mirror. Tomorrow I will smell better. Bathroom. Kitchen window opens, it's just onto a roof. I open this to get a little air. I'm actually gonna close it now, I think. This probably goes that way and it locks, beautiful. Nice size freezer. Might make some ice for my leg. That's an added bonus. All right, so I expected you would come through the door, no little pretty entryway, atrium kind of room, and right into the studio apartment. Bed is huge. Well, I mean, I guess it's a double, but I'm one dude. Nice sitting area. Table to work at. I've already slightly modified it by moving it and messing it up. All right, and of course the window's open. Down on the street, there's a children's bookstore there, which is good. I might be able to get a notebook. Yeah.
I think it's no surprise, but I absolutely love this apartment. I'm going to put the link in the description below. It was perfectly located. Every morning I'd walk through different cafes and historic sites. Afternoons and evenings I work. Internet was fast and reliable. Evenings were walks to different restaurants. I can't wait to return.
So my agenda is I have about an hour or two till I have to be at work. So I'm just gonna wander around. I'm not gonna try to see any sights. I'll leave that till Friday. All right, I don't know how my voice is gonna come out on this, but it's time to leave the apartment. I'm afraid somehow this is a 3-hour load of laundry. So we're gonna have to figure that out for the next load. All right, it is strange. It is. Blast from the past, leaving an apartment and having to lock it. Well, did get dark though, guys. All right, it's not bad. We're on the first floor, or for Americans and Canadians, what would be the second floor? It is warm, almost humid. That's a score. Oh. Well. This apartment is in a great place. This is Piazza dell'Erbe. Terrible pronunciation. If I was going to be here for more than 2 days, I would totally, well, one, I've been here earlier because they're closing up the market, but two, be buying my produce here. You better believe it. I wonder if Italian women get up at like 5:30 in the morning to start preparing for the day. I mean, talk about to the nines. Found the one place I will not be having coffee. How do they survive here? Okay, good to know, bancomat. Looking back towards Piazza dell'Erbe. And I guess class just got out. Oh, this looks lovely, but probably not where I'm eating. A little cheap, and I have some equipment costs to recover. This is actually the pizzeria I started out looking for, but I'm going to circle back to where I'm staying, get something to eat. I am seeing a lot of St. Mark style lions, and I don't know why, but I'll research that. My God, there's a lot of temptation in that window. Alright, also found someplace I won't be eating. I don't think you see these stores anymore in the United States, but they were a big deal in the 90s and 80s. Benetton also had a great Formula One team, which I think is now Alpine. Did I guess right? Or am I wrong? We shall see very quickly. But really, guessing wrong, what's the worst that happens? I see someplace I've never been before. Okay, definitely wrong in the sense of not where I expect it to be, but I'm okay with that. Very okay with that. Oh, but I am close. Yeah, I think I managed to come up on the other side of the Piazza dell'Erbe. Yep, there's the Starbucks that I'm not having coffee at. And the Steam Power coffee shop I'm not having coffee at because they're very rude. You know, guys, pride goeth before the fall. I love these three-wheel carts, wagons. My street. Day one in Padua. Not ideal, not the day I planned, not even close. But maybe that's the point, isn't it? Travel should be unpredictable. Adventure happens when plans go astray. The best days never start perfectly, and this one proved it. From a lost GoPro to a found home away from home, Padua is someplace. If you liked accompanying me on this sideways day, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe. Guys, as always, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget to write.